feeling it. And you had back and hip and thigh and calf pain all the way down to your big toe in the right leg.
I did chiropractic.
Okay.
I did therapy before.
Physical therapy.
Yes. I would get flat on my back, and they would stretch my legs one at a time, and then I would walk with this little rubber band on my leg, and I would walk, like make little steps, and then I would like do a backwards bend.
Okay.
Oh, really?
You didn't see much?
Really, I didn't see no change.
Okay, all right.
It seemed like maybe it was kind of, felt like it was getting better, but by the time I drove home, it just started all over again.
And when you came to see me, you had remarked some of the things that would tend to make your symptoms worse.
Sitting, especially if I sit slouched.
Okay.
Getting up and down.
Just getting out of the chair?
Yes. Getting out of bed.
Yes.
Cooking, I mean, even standing, trying to cook, I couldn't even get through cook a whole meal without sitting. Walking and shopping, you know how you walking through the mall and taking your time, and you go in more than just one store. And I would always say, well, okay, I had enough. I need to go home. If I did an hour, walking around looking at different things, it was just unbearable almost.
Okay, so you were really limited in a number of ways, sitting and cooking, standing, and then shopping.
Yes.
And when you were in pain like that, other than sitting down, did you have any strategies to kind of take care of the symptoms, or
none?
Medicine?
Nothing but a pain pill.
You took a pain pill. Yeah. So now you've been here for a couple of weeks, 3 or 4 weeks or so. You've been through about 5 or 6 sessions, and how are you feeling?
Wonderful.
Okay.
I'm cooking. I'm going to the mall.
Yeah.
I am going up my stairs.
Yeah.
And back singing.
Oh, so that's right.
Singing
In the choir.
Up and down in church, singing.
Yeah. And you're not hurting when you're doing these things.
No.
And if you start to feel some symptoms, what do you do?
If I'm where I can do my stretches, I do some stretches, and that it normally just knocks it right out. I could even feel the relief.
Okay, while you were doing it.
Yes, when I first started, that first stretch, it was that painful. But I'm like, keep doing them, doing them, and everything just leveled out.
Okay. How long would you feel better if you did your stretches?
For hours.
Oh, hours. Okay.
Feel better doing it.
You feel like you're in control of your pain, or do you feel like your pain tells you what you can or can't do?
I'm in control.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah. You've been a good, hard-working patient, so it makes my job easy. Yeah. Thanks, Doris.
Well, I think you was a very good therapist.
Yeah, I appreciate it.